Hey everybody, today we're talking about the VapeAway system designed to help you quit vaping. Now we all know that quitting vaping is very difficult and hard, and that's all about to change with this system right here. This is designed specifically for the user that has made that pivotal choice to quit vaping, and this is the only system on the market that allows you to quit vaping while still vaping. Now, before I get into the content and the technology, stay tuned to the end because I'm also going to talk about the VapeAway support system that is free of charge that will be there to help you during your quitting journey. So let's look at this. We have 3 levels that span over 9 weeks that are going to help you reduce your nicotine intake from 25 up to 75%. You're going to get 63 filters, 21 per level. And these filters are specifically designed to fit on Juul and Juul Pod products. Now this uses their vapor freeze technology. So the filter has military grade fabric fibers in it that filter out nicotine and toxins on contact as you work your way through your journey. Let's take a look inside of the packaging. So the packaging is well done and has tons of information on the front and back. And when we look to the inside here, this first one is talking about the brain. There's the heart and lungs and all of that as well. And inside here, we have more information on how to use your filters and things to expect as you start to use these filters for your vape reduction needs. So I'm going to show you right now how easily this snaps on, and then we'll get to the support system. So when you're ready to install the filter, it's going to go straight on top. You push it on until you have a nice snug fit, and then you'll proceed with your normal vaping experience. And then when you're done and ready, you can pull the filter off. It pulls the pod with it, dispose of it, load a new pod and a new filter. Now, the VapeAway support system is included free of charge and is there to help you during your quitting journey. Quitting vaping is hard. Doing it alone is even harder. So over the next few weeks, you're going to start to receive some daily check-ins of inspirational information to help keep you on track. The information is there to help you change the way that you think, sleep, work, and even interact with other individuals so that you can have the best success possible during your quitting journey. The VapeAway technology was created with the help and involvement of professional doctors and addiction specialists. Try VapeAway today. It's the smarter way.